Yes, can you hear me now?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, try to speak little bit louder. Okay. I've shared my screen. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Right. So, see, now we'll start with the very first topic. Right. All the discussion we have already done. We'll directly start with a small topic of pronunciation, first of all. Okay. So, whenever we learn a language, right, we always first of all see what are the sounds in that, right? What are the sounds in that language? What are the letters? What are the consonants and vowels? What is the script used? So, all that we'll see first of all,
Okay.
right? I hope you might have watched some of my videos which I sent on that
Yeah,
WhatsApp.
yeah, yeah. I already watched it.
Okay, okay. So, were you able to understand little bit out of that?
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Touch a little bit.
Okay. I have shared my screen, so no need to write down anything. All this material, everything, I'll be giving it to you. Okay, I'll send you. So just try to understand the things which I'm explaining. Right? So, see, first of all, we'll start with the German ABCD. The ABCD sound, ABCD letters we'll see. Okay?
Okay.
That just like in English, now you have the English
Yeah,
ABCD. Sorry, you're saying something?
yeah, yeah. Alphabets.
Yes, yes, alphabets. Okay, so just like in English, you have the English ABCD. Just like that in German, you have the German ABCD. Okay, so
Okay.
the names of letters are different. In English, you say A B C D E F G H. Here, it's something like A B C D E F G, like this. Okay,
Okay.
so I am playing one video, right? I am playing this video two times. Try to listen to it, and then we'll compare it with the English ABCD. Okay,
Okay. Sure.
yeah.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Yeah, listen to it once again. Okay.
Okay. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Okay.
A
Yeah, that's the German ABCD. Now let's compare it with the English ABCD. Okay.
Yeah.
So see, in English we have something called as ABCDEFG. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
ABCDEFG, right? But in German we have something called as ABCDEFG, right?
Oh. Yeah.
ABCDEFG. So repeat with me, ABCDEFG.
A B C D E F G.
Yeah, ABCDEFG.
E F.
Okay. Yeah, not AB, not EFG, it's A, B, C, D, A, F, G. Right?
A B C D E F G.
Yes, A, B, C, D, A, F, G. Correct. Okay, so repeat again. A, B, C, D.
E F G. A B C D E F G.
Yeah, yeah. Right? Okay. Then next is H, I, Yacht, Ka. Speak.
H I J K L M N O P.
Pay. Okay.
Pay.
H, I, Yacht, Ka, L, M, N, O, P. Speak again.
H I J K L M N O P.
Yeah, once again.
H I J K L M N O P.
Okay. So H E yacht ka LMNO pay.
P.
Next is Q R S T. Speak.
Q R. What
Q
R?
R, not R. It's R. Okay. Q R S T U V W.
Q R
R,
R
not R. Q
S
R
T
S T, QRST.
QRST UFAV.
U V way. Okay.
Found.
Next, X, Epsilon und Z. Speak. X,
X
Epsilon,
epsilon
and is called und. When I say und, that means and. X, Y, and Z. So X, Epsilon und Z. Speak. Z,
Z.
Z. Yes.
Okay.
X, Epsilon und Z.
Epsilon und Z.
Okay, good. Now repeat all the letters again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G.
Okay.
Hmm.
A B C D E F G
H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P.
H I J K L M N O P
Q, R, S, T, U, V, W.
Q R S T U V W
X, Epsilon und Z.
X epsilon und Z.
Yeah, listen to it. I'm playing twice. Okay.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y und Z.
Yeah. Clear now?
Yeah.
In your A1 exam, because I think Saga told me you will be writing the A1 exam. So in the A1 exam, it's a fixed question. They will be asking you to spell out the letters of your first name. Okay.
Okay.
So what's the name? Tell me.
Richa. So
Yeah. Speak. R.
R
Hmm.
I
No. E. A B C D E F G. H I. Yeah. Okay. R E.
A E
Say. German, ma'am. German, not English. Say.
C
Ha. Okay. Speak again. R
R
E.
E
Say.
Ha
And full name.
Right.
Yeah. R.
R E
Speak full name in German letters. Okay.
R E C Ha
Hmm.
R E
E. So just suppose a scenario that you are going to some government office, okay, and someone is asking your name there, okay, and the person does not know English, so he will not understand RICHA, okay, he will understand the German letter. Just like in India, you say na RICHA, okay, that my name spelling is RICHA. So like that, you have to speak the German letters. So R E say ha a, then R E like that, okay. Clear now? Okay. So this video I am sending it to you. Listen to it again after the class 2-3 times. Don't forget this ABCD. It is not necessary that they are asking your name only. They can ask any word to spell out in German. Okay. But 99% they ask the first name of person. But again, it is not fixed, right? They can give you the spelling of Germany to speak in German letters. Okay. It can be anything. So you should know that German ABCD. Second usage of this is whenever you have a capital letter in front of you. Example, if I say, let's say BMW. Okay.
Yeah.
Now BMW is a German company. So you will not say BMW, you will say BMW. Okay. ABCD wala BMW. Clear? If I say CD, the compact disc, okay, computer CD. So you will not say CD, you will say CD. ABCD, CD. Okay. There's one car company, Volkswagen. Okay. So Volkswagen is also German company. So in short, many times you will see people speaking VW in short. Okay. In India, we don't say VW, but there a lot of people say VW. VW. Remember? VW.
Okay.
Clear till here? Everything?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, see, this was just the just that names of the letters. Nobody is going to ask all these names of letters to you. Only in these specific scenarios you will need them. The actual topic is of pronunciation. The actual topic is of sounds of these letters. Just like in English, let's say you have a letter A. Okay. Now, what are the sounds of this A? If you see this name Sagar, so here there are two A. First this one and second this one.
Yeah.
Okay. So you can see first A the sound is Sagar. The second A is A. Okay. So you can see the difference. That is what I am trying to say. That now we have to see the sounds. Whatever ABCD you have done, A B C D E F G, we have to see what are the sounds of those letters. Okay. Yeah, what are the sounds of those letters? So far you have just learned that ABCD, that is good. But with that you cannot speak. When you speak a language, you need the sounds of constituent alphabet. If I say my name Raman, now the name of letter is Raman, but you don't call me Raman, you call me Raman, right?
Yeah.
Because you are using the sounds of these letters. Okay, right? When I call you, I will not call you Richa, I'll call you Richa because I am using the sounds of the letters. Okay, so that is what you have to understand now, the sounds of these letters which we have done. So German, as I told you, it uses the same Roman set of alphabets which we have in other European languages. Okay, whatever ABCD 1 2 3 4 you use in English, it's same. Apart from that, 2 3 extra letters are there in German that I will tell you in the coming session. So this A till Z, this is divided into two parts: vowels and consonants. Okay, vowels are your A, E, I, O, U, consonants are your B, C, D till Z. Okay, just like English. So now we'll take one by one, we'll take each letter and we'll see what are its sound. Okay, what is its respective sound. So I am drawing one table: B, D, G, P, T, K. Any word ending with B, D, and G. Okay, any word ending with B, D, and G in German. In German, any word ending with B, D, and G. Ending means in the end of the word B, D, or G would be coming. Respectively, the sound of that B, D, and G will be per, ta, and k. P, T, and K sound will come.
Okay.
Okay, so don't forget this table. See the example: G, I, B, K, I, N, D, T, A, G, right hand side.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the German word, and right hand side, extreme right is the meaning, so that you don't have to read. Leave the meaning for 2 days. Okay, later we will see all the meanings. But just try to speak this word. I told you any word ending with B, D, and G, the sound is P, T, and K. Per, ta, and k sound will come.
But
Yeah. So speak this loud. Speak.
give.
Geep,
Give.
geep. P for pencil. Geep.
Give.
Okay. Second,
Kint.
kint. Good. Next, third,
Tak.
tak. Okay. G in the end is k. Geep, kint, and tak.
Tak.
So there is one very common greeting you might have seen on YouTube, Guten Tag. So it's not called Guten Tag. Never say Tag. Okay? Nothing is called Guten Tag. It's actually Guten Tag.
Guten Tag.
So you have to speak Tag from today. Guten Tag. Okay?
Okay.
Now the first letter A. A is having two sounds, A and A. Okay? Yes. A and A. Like kind of the bada A of Hindi, that one, and the small A and A. Okay, how you will decide? There is one trick which you have to understand. What you will do, you will count the consonants. Consonants, these are the consonants, B, C, D till Z. Okay, the letters which are not vowels, they are the consonants. So you will count the consonants coming directly after A. You will count the consonants coming directly after A. See the first example, ALT. Tell me how many consonants after A?
2.
2. Okay, just hold on. Let's solve for every word. FRAGEN. How many after A?
G and 2.
But I want direct consonant. Direct. Only G.
E.
Only one. Okay.
Okay.
Direct is only one. Na? After E is coming, so I'll stop the counting here. Okay.
Direct.
Yeah, directly only one. Directly means which is immediate neighbor. So after that, a vowel is there. So I will not include this N. I just need the direct consonant. That is one. Okay. Then TRAGEN. How many after A?
E. 1.
One. Okay. Good. Now the rule is after A, if it is one consonant directly, okay, after A, if it is one consonant, the sound will be A like sagar, sa, okay, clear? Just like the A sound in this word sagar, the first A, sa, A sound is coming. So after A, if it is one consonant, that will be A, otherwise A.
Okay.
Okay, so here if you see fragan and tragan, after A only one. Speak loud.
Okay. Tragan.
And
Tragan.
good. First example,
Alt.
alt, because after A two consonants, so I will use the shorter sound, alt.
Okay.
Okay.
Alt.
Yeah, this A is also having like little 20-30% A is mixed up there, but it don't make it pure A. It's not pure alt. That's wrong. Okay, it's like mix of A and A, alt. Okay, little bit 10-20% mixing is there, but 80% A sound, alt.
Alt.
Then next is E sound. In mathematics there is one word called area.
Yeah.
Okay, area of rectangle. So area A sound, the first A, area A sound, A, okay, A like the word payment, okay, payment, or bakery, A sound. That A is the sound of German E.
E.
Okay, yeah. So speak this example, SN,
Listen.
okay, the A sound like the word area A sound. So SN.
Listen.
Second,
Eagle.
not eagle. After A, how many consonant?
After, okay, one.
One. So
Egal.
egal, right? As you will move ahead, the examples are arranged in that manner that you will be needing the old rules. Okay, so try to retain them. SN and egal.
Egal.
Clear? Let's revise everything. See, first of all, we did a table. Table is very simple. BD, G, PT, K. Any word ending with BD and G, respectively, the sound is PTA and K. PT and K sound. Okay?
Okay.
So, Geep, Kint and Tak. Then, the first letter A. A is having two sounds, A and A. How will I decide? I will count the number of direct consonants coming after A. After A, if it is one consonant, that will have the A sound, otherwise A sound. Okay? So speak this example.
It's alt,
Fragan,
tragan.
alt, fragan and tragan. Okay? Next is E. E is having the A sound. Speak the example. SN,
And egal.
Okay? SN and egal. Next.
Egal.
Now the next letter is I. I is having two sounds, long E and short E.
E.
Okay, long E and short E. After I, if it is one consonant, again the same logic like A. After I, again you have to count the direct consonant. If it is one consonant, it's long E. Okay, long E, otherwise short E. Clear? So see the first example, I double ST. After I, how many?
2.
3. Okay.
3.
Yeah, this is one and the same thing. It should be more than one. So 2, 3, 4, whatever. Okay. More than one. Then second example.
Second example, there is
Count
1.
Then third, count
2.
2. Okay. So after I, if it is one consonant, it will be long E. See the middle example. Weeder. Speak. Weeder. Then now speak the first example. Short E. Ist. Then third, built. If you remember, I gave you one table, BDGPTK.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So D in the end is don't call it as build. That's wrong. Okay. Built. If you see this is red is the example. Extreme right is the meaning. In middle, I have written the sound in double quotes. Okay. So in double quotes in the middle, you can see my mouse pointer. This is not the word. This is just a sound which I have expressed using some letters of English. Okay, because after the class you might forget this, so you can just look at the middle column. You will be able to retain what we had done, like built, weeder. In the above example also you can see egal. I've written like this. Okay, then tragen, fragen, alt, like this. Okay, A, E, and I. Next is O. Again, O is having the countings. Right? Again, O is having the countings. O and O. Two sounds are there. O like the word solar energy, solar O sound.
Oh,
Okay?
okay.
Or Korea, North Korea, South Korea, Korea O sound.
Oh,
Okay? And O sound like awesome.
awesome.
Awesome or north O sound. Okay?
Okay.
That is the sound. First is solar O sound. Second is the awesome O sound. Okay? Right? So
Oh,
after O, if it is one consonant, that is the O for solar, O sound. Okay? Otherwise,
okay.
it's O for awesome. Clear?
Okay.
See the first example. Speak first.
It's
Odor. Odor.
odor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Second,
Odor.
Zol.
Zohar.
Zol. Single S is
Zohar.
the, double S is the. Okay. Single S
Yeah.
is the and double S is the. This I will take in the consonants tomorrow. Single S is the and double S is sir.
Sir.
Right? So Zol.
That
Next.
single S is the and
Mhm.
double S is
Sir. Double S is sir. Double S is sir. You see here, ist. I double S T. Sir. Okay?
Yes.
Like this. So Zol. Next.
Monad.
Monad. After O, one consonant. After A, one consonant. Monad.
Monad.
Okay. Next. Third. Last.
Korab.
No. Corp. Simple. Not Korab. Corp.
Corp.
After O, two consonant. O for awesome. B in the end is per. Simple. Corporation. Corp.
Corp.
Okay. So don't call it corb or corb. Nothing. B in the end is per. Corp. Corp means basket.
Okay. Corp.
Yes. Next is U. U is having the U sound. U is having the U sound. Okay. There's a simple U sound. Neither short nor long. So you can see counting was there in A, I and O. Okay.
Yeah.
In A it was I and A. In I it was long E, short E. And in O it was O and O.
Oh.
Right? In E there was no counting. E sound was just like area, mathematics area. Okay. And U sound is again very simple. This is just U. No counting involved in this. Okay. U is just U. So speak this example.
Tune.
Tone. Okay. Next. Mutter. This R in the end you have to control. It's not like mutter. Not like that. Okay. It's simple. R. Glottal. Okay. Kind of silent. Not complete silent, but kind of silent. So you have to reduce the pressure when you are putting R in the end. Mutter. Like that. Okay. Mutter. Yeah. Okay. But just reduce the tone. Automatically it will come. Mutter. Next, now last example is very important. See, this is basically a combination. Okay, SCH is a combination. SCH in German is having the sh sound. Okay, SCH in German is having the sh sound. That's a combination. It has, you don't have to break it separately into S and C and H. That is a combination of sound. Okay, wherever SCH comes, you will use the sh sound. You might have heard of this company Bosch. Okay. And
Bosch.
Schindler, Schneider. Okay, these companies, they Schindler, Schneider, they make that elevator, escalator, all that. Okay, so these are all German companies. So SCH is sh. Clear?
Sure.
Yes. So this becomes shoe. H in the end is silent. This becomes shoe.
Shoe.
Yes. Tone, mutter, and shoe.
So
Okay.
every time if this U after you have H, so H will be silent.
Yeah, H in the end will be silent. That I will cover in H. Okay. That I will cover in H. So that will be silent. Right? Yes. Shoe.
Shoe.
Okay. Yes. Next is, okay, we have done till U. So first of all, what I am doing, I am sending you this file on your Skype chat. Okay. Download this file. Okay. Download this file and revise everything from the table till that A, E, I, O and U.
Okay.
Okay. Just take 2-3 minutes, revise everything, right?
Okay.
And then we will just discuss them again and then we'll move ahead with the consonants.
Okay.
Revised till you?
Yeah.
Let me know any doubt till here.
Yeah, it's
It's clear? Okay. A, E, I, O, and U. So now what you have to do, come to the top, okay?
yeah.
What you have to do, just revise the rule. In case you want to ask me anything, you can ask, and then speak the examples, okay? Speak the examples.
It's old,
Hmm.
fragile,
Yeah, first from this Geep, Kint, and Tak, from the table, first of all, okay? Geep, Kint, and Tak.
okay.
Hmm.
Keep,
Hmm.
kint,
Hmm.
tak.
Next.
Next is a and u. So, ul.
Alt. Hmm.
So it's okay. It's a and a.
A and It's not ult, okay? That is just a way of writing. I've written as UH because I need to express the sound in English. That's why I wrote UH, okay? But don't speak it like ooh. It's not ooh, okay? It's just alt.
A
Hmm.
and a. So alt,
Hmm.
fragen,
Hmm.
tragen.
Next.
E is a,
Hmm.
sn,
Hmm.
egal,
Egal. Yeah. Hmm. Correct. Next is I. Speak the examples of I.
I is e and e.
Ist.
So
Mm-hmm.
is,
Mm-hmm.
wieder,
Mm-hmm.
built.
Yes, ist, wieder, and built. Okay.
Yeah.
Next is O. Speak the
Next
examples
is
of O.
o and a.
Hmm.
So it's
Mm-hmm.
order.
Order. Next.
This S, I have some
Yeah.
confusion. S is all.
Yeah. Single S is the and double S is sir. Okay. Single S is the and double S is sir. So that is Zol.
Okay.
Hmm.
So monad,
Hmm. Mm-hmm.
corp.
Corp. Okay. Order, Zol, Monat, and Corp.
And now u.
Hmm.
So tool,
Hmm.
mutter,
Hmm.
shoe.
Tone, motor, and shoe. Okay.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah. Now let's move ahead. First of all, we'll take the first consonant, that is B. Okay. So if you remember, I gave you one table BDG PTK. So whenever B comes in the end, okay.
Okay. So pronounce
Yeah,
B.
yeah. Whenever B comes in the end, the sound will be per. Otherwise, it's B for Bombay.
Okay.
Okay, B for Bombay. So speak the example.
So it's
Belen.
bed,
Yeah. Hmm. Mm-hmm.
open,
Open. Next.
open,
Hmm.
corp,
Corp. Next.
geek,
Geek. Okay. Belen. Open. Corp and geek.
geek,
Right. Belen. Open. Corp and geek.
geek.
Yes. Next is C. C is simple k sound. Okay. C is simple k sound. So speak this example. Mhm.
Camping,
Yeah, it's an English word, so you can speak it like camping simple. Okay. It's an
camping.
yes, it's an English word, so you can speak it just like camping.
Okay. So,
Clear?
okay. Ka sound.
Yes, camping. Next is D. D in the end is ta and beginning or middle is ga for gun. Okay. D in the end is ta and beginning or middle is ga for gun. Simple.
Gun. Okay. Yeah. Okay. In the beginning, the same pronunciation, and the and it sounds as T.
T.
Ta.
Yeah, from that table BDG PTK. So in the end is ta and beginning or middle is D for dog. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So speak the example. Mm-hmm.
So, vide,
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Next.
wieder,
Mm-hmm. Next.
bat,
Bat.
bat, yeah,
Bat and hunt. Okay.
heart,
Hunt. Wither, bat and hunt. Okay. But if you see the second and third example, that is like bida. Okay.
okay,
The second example is bida. See in this the EI is I. Okay. The EI is I sound. Right?
okay,
EI is I, bida, and I is E, Vida. Right?
okay, ID.
Yes, EI is I sound. That's a vowel combination. Just like I gave you SCH, just like that, EI is having the I sound, and IE is having the E sound. Okay. These combinations I'll give you again further once you have done the letters till Z. Around 15-20 combinations are there. They are like the most important part of this pronunciation. So out of that, three we have done. First is SCH, second is EI, and third is IE. Okay. Yeah, speak them again. Dome, Bida,
Dome,
hmm,
bite,
Bida, next,
vida,
hmm,
feeder,
Vida,
bat,
Bat,
hand.
Hunt. Okay, Dome, Bida, Vida, Bat, and Hunt. Okay.
Yeah.
Hmm. Now, after that, the next word is A, B, C, D. Next is F. F is fa only. Okay. F is
Wow.
fa only. So speak the examples from F.
Okay. So,
Hmm.
for,
Hmm.
cow,
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
cow,
Okay. Correct. Foul, staff.
shaft. Now,
Hmm.
CH is shaft. Means in the C you said that
Mhm.
C is the pronunciation of ka.
But SCH is a combination, na? SCH is sha. Okay.
SCH you said sha. Okay.
Yes, SCH is sha. That's why it is staff.
Okay. Shaft.
Yeah. So speak the example. Staff. Next.
Shaft.
Hmm.
And now, yeah, foul and shaft. Two examples are only there.
Foul and shaft. Next is G. G in the end is ka. Okay. G
Ka.
in the end is ka and beginning or middle is ga for gun. G in the end is ka, beginning or middle is ga for gun. So speak the example.
Gegen,
Yeah.
tak,
Hmm. Mm-hmm.
klub,
Klug. Yeah. Okay.
klub.
Yes. Gegen Tag.
It's klub.
Klug. Yes. G in the end is ka. Okay. So Gegen Tag and then Klug.
Gegen, Gegen, Tag,
Mhm.
Klug.
Yes, gegen, Tag and klug. Okay. Gegen, Tag and klug. Next is H. H in the beginning is her. This is very important. H in the beginning is her, and
Yes.
middle or end it is silent. Okay.
Okay.
H in the beginning is her, and middle or end it is silent.
Okay. Middle and end both. Okay. Middle and end is silent.
Yes, middle and end it is silent. So speak the example.
Hard.
Hard. Hmm.
Gien.
Gehen. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Sehen.
Halt, gehen and Zen.
Sehen.
Okay. Halt, gehen and Zen. Next is J. J is year. J is simple year. So speak the example of J.
Okay. So Junge.
Younger. Younger, not Junge. It's Younger. Younger.
Junge.
Okay. E in the end is always Younger.
Junge.
Hmm.
Okay.
Clear? Younger. Next is K, L, M, N, P. K, L, M, N, P. Okay. K, L, M, N, P. K, L, M, N, P. K, L, M, N, P. The same sound. K, L, M, N, P. So speak the example.
Klasse. Klasse.
Yeah, Klasse. Mm-hmm.
Sa. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now it's KL. What's the next one?
Next one is chicken. Okay.
Chick-
Chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah. Next.
Keller.
Color. Next.
Will.
Hmm. Next.
Next is Ekman.
Artman. Next.
Atman.
Hmm.
Shim.
Shrimp. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
What's the next one?
Shrimp. Next is rennen. Okay.
Rennen. Rennen.
Correct. Next is rennen.
Brown.
Hmm.
Brown.
Yes. Yes. Okay.
Lippe.
Lipper. Hmm.
Lipper.
Lipper. Okay. Right. Lipper. Okay. Now just open that PDF. You already have. Revise everything till P. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Revise everything till P. After 2-3 minutes, we'll discuss them again.
Okay. Left. God. Geek. Geek. C. Its pronunciation of C. Kite and campaign. 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 Dog. Dog. Doom. Fighting. Reader. Fighting. Fighting. Reader. But. Hunt. Hunt. Foul. Shaft. Gigan. Gigan. Look. Again. Sham. Okay. Done.
Yeah. Let's start from the first letter now. The first one is consonant B. Okay, so you will explain me the rule and then the examples.
Okay. So, first letter. If the first letter is B, it will bay. So it will pronounce as bay only, sound as bay. And if the last letter is B, bay. Sorry, it will pronounce as P.
Mm-hmm.
Pa.
Yeah.
Pay. Sorry, pay.
Yeah.
So the first example is Belen,
Mm-hmm.
Oben,
Yeah. Okay.
Cork,
Yeah.
and Geek.
Okay. Belen, Oben, Corp, and Gi.
Yeah.
Next is C.
It sounds as ka.
Mm-hmm.
It's so the first example is camping.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. A B C A ba sa. D.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Mm-hmm. So D in the end is ta. Beginning word is D for dog. Speak the example.
D is star. The beginning is D. So doom,
Mm-hmm.
Vide,
Yeah.
Wieder,
Yeah.
Bat,
Yeah.
Hunt.
Hunt. Okay. Doom, Bider, Widder, Bart, and Hunt. Okay. Good. Then A B C D. Next is F. Speak the rule.
F is the first means it's pronounced fa only.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's foul
Mm-hmm.
and shaft.
Foul and shaft. Next.
Gi. So first letter pronounced as gi and the last will be k.
Yes, yes. G in the end is ka and rest everywhere is ga for gun. Speak the example.
Gigan.
Gegen, not gigan. Gegen, gegen.
Gigan. Yeah. Gigan.
Hmm.
Attack.
Yeah.
Kluk.
Yes. Gegen, tak and kluk. Next is H. Speak the example.
H is heart.
Mm-hmm.
Gn.
Game. Yeah.
Shian. Sorry. Zian.
Yes, yes. Okay. Halt, gain and zayan.
Zayan.
Hmm.
So now J.
Hmm. Mm-hmm.
Yunge. Sorry. Pronounced as Y. Ye. Ye.
Yeah, yeah.
Yuke.
Younger. Mm-hmm.
Yunga.
Mm-hmm.
The
Next.
other examples
KLMP. Yeah.
Manapa.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Mm-hmm.
class,
Cluster. Yeah. Next.
plaza,
Mm-hmm.
chicken,
Next.
teller,
Yeah. Okay.
well, wheel,
Mm-hmm.
atman,
Okay.
swim,
Okay. Yeah.
renan,
Mm-hmm.
brawn.
Yes. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes. Atman, Renan, and Brown. And last is Lipper.
Lipper.
Yeah.
Lipper.
Any doubt till here? Till P?
No. No,
Yes.
yeah.
K, L, M, and P. Now see, you are doing the rules first time today. Okay. So it might be like little bit, basically little bit new for you. Okay. So take your time to revise them once today. Right.
Okay.
Today again we'll be starting from the top. Today's lecture is not to learn something. It is just for you to understand that. Just for you to see whether you are able to understand or not. Okay. For that purpose mainly, right? Tomorrow, whenever we have next class, that we'll discuss. So accordingly, again we'll be starting from the top.
Okay.
Okay, and no YouTube, no word meaning, nothing. Just you have to just revise these rules. right? And just few important things before you join. See, our each lecture will be of 1 hour of duration. After 1 hour, you have to mandatorily study for 2.5 hours.
Okay.
This ratio you have to follow. Okay, in A1 you can reduce it to 2, but if you plan for A2 B1 accordingly, then the effort will be like after every lecture there will be an assignment of 2.5 hour on average. Okay, people person to person, the IQ level differs. Some people are very fast in grabbing the things. So like they are very sharp. They are able to learn. They are able to they can retain very easily. Called as the fast learners. And second are the slow learners, and the third one are the average learners. Okay, so person to person the efforts vary. So 2.5 can become 3 also. It can become 1.5 also in your case. Okay, so as you move ahead slowly you will get comfortable with that, but on average roughly 2 to 2.5 hour you should study after every lecture. That is the effort, and that's why accordingly we manage the lectures. Because see, if I start keeping the lectures daily, it is practically very difficult for a person to study 3 hours every day, 1 hour of class and 2 hour of homework. So you need to manage the things. You have other things also to do. You have to manage your family also, your other career also, everything you have to manage. So keep a balance between both the things. That's why we prefer these one-to-one classes, so that a person can study as per his flexibility and availability, right? Okay,
Yeah.
so that's the thing, right? Just give me 1 second, I'll end this and then we'll plan for the next sessions.
And the practice sheet, when will you send?
Practice sheet, the assignment sheets you are asking?
Yeah.
Assignments, see, right now there is no assignment. Today the only homework is that you have to just revise these rules. Okay, the actual assignment will start once I start the grammar. Okay, so at that time it will start. So let me just show you what kind of assignments we'll be having, right? Just see here. Okay, let me show you some assignment sheets. See this Google sheet, if you can see, right? Okay, so here you can see topic by topic the assignments are done by this person. He is doing B1 currently. Okay, I can open many such sheets, right? Many such sheets I can open. So we'll be having this kind of Google sheet. We'll be putting all the class assignment, all the home assignment, everything here, right? Okay, you can see all topic by topic. She's a doctor. She is doing B2 now, starting from ABCD. After that, almost like more than 6-7 months already passed. So like this, we'll be having one Google sheet wherein you will be documenting all your assignment. You can access it, you can revise it. Even after 10 years, if you want to revise, you can revise everything from here. So it will not get damaged anytime. Okay, everything is stored properly there. So we'll do like that. We'll document like that. So whatever class assignment, whatever home assignment is there, I'll be giving you, and in every lecture we'll be discussing that. So this is the thing which consumes those 2.5 hours. Okay, when I say that you have to study for 2 hours, what you will do? So these are the things which you have to do. Whatever homework we are giving you, homework is not just writing down these sentences in the sheet. It is covering lot many things. Like, let's say I'm giving you 100 vocabulary to learn. Okay, in A1 obviously that much load will not be there, but I'm telling you about the B1 B2 levels. B1 means like if a person is looking for a job, then minimum B1 is there. Okay, if you want to work in a German based company, German speaking company, so accordingly, so all the vocabulary, words, grammar, sentence practice, everything you have to do. So all that thing, these things, I'll be telling you what you have to do, what you not have to do, but it is you who has to do ultimately. Okay, so for that you have to be prepared like 2 or 2.5 hours you have to study. So you plan your lectures accordingly, right? Let's say Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, in that ratio. Once you are comfortable, then we'll try to go faster, or we might have multiple sessions together. That is also possible. Okay. Yeah, so that's the thing. Yeah, just give me 1 minute.